Please note, if your machine is a swap machine, your old routes will already be loaded onto the machine. Start by entering the security code. Confirm that the home location code is properly adhered to the wall. Click the icon for teaching a route. Cobi will scan the home location code. Tap the plus button to add a new route. Please note, you can save up to 6 routes per home location code. Select Custom Route. Press the blue Start button to begin teaching the route. Wait until the starting wheel on the screen completes and Create a Route screen pops up. Then push the machine to teach the desired route. Return Cobi to the home location code. Save the route by tapping the yellow button in the bottom right-hand corner and hit the OK on the route completed screen. You can now view your saved route on the user interface.